The new project is to make an introduction video for a really talented young dancer. The challenge that I set for myself was to create the music, the choreography and the video all by myself. The most difficult part for me is to create the music because I'm not a musician or a composer, so it takes a lot of time and effort for me to create some music that I'm really comfortable with. The concept of the music was to create an atmosphere for my dancer equivalent to a room, in which she enters and has to reflect with her movements to the noise and the beats she confronts within the space. I lay out the music in three major components. On the first we have a breathing sound which is a reflection of her existence in the room. On the second layer we have different drums and beats, which is giving the movement a certain dynamic and rhythm. On the third we have different noises and sound effects, which is giving her the opportunity to reflect on a more emotional basis. I was making the music in Logic Pro Alchemy and I was using the Arturia Mini Lab 3. While developing the choreography, we were in a constant dialogue of showing her movement abilities and working on her expressions of her feelings and thoughts. I wanted to create something very special and individual for her introduction video. If you're interested in the result, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you have any questions, then please leave a comment below and I will try to answer them.